Hi, this is Andrea. I'm just doing like an unboxing of we're trying something new for our homeschool. It's the 180 days of. Um, my son is 9. He's like a young 4th grader. He's in level 3 of the Good and the Beautiful. That's what we've always used for his reading and writing. And the other day I was on YouTube and I was watching reviews because he's struggling with spelling. His reading comprehension is good. His vocabulary is good. And like his reading has improved a lot in the past year because he was struggling with that. But now I notice like his biggest struggle with reading and writing is the spelling part. So I figured we'll try this as a supplement. So it's the 180 days of spelling, and I got level 3. I almost got level 2 just to make it really easy for him to like get him started. But I don't know, I figure we'll try 3 and see how it works out. But like as you can see, they have it broken up. Like unit 15 is going to be long E vowel teams. So I like how they have it split up because I just got these in the mail, so I flipped through to kind of see how it's organized. So you'll have week 15 day 1, and I think they each go for each lesson is for 5 days. So we won't probably do it every day. Because I'm using it as a supplement, we'll probably do like 1 or 2 pages, or like if it's something he's really interested in, we could probably do like the whole week in 1 day. I don't think we're gonna actually follow this what it says, but you could see this is basically they give you a word bank, fill in the sentence with these words, synonyms and antonyms. So this will also help him with his reading because he does not like to read. He does not read enough. Like he reads what's required when we're doing the Good and the Beautiful, but like he's not a kid that's just gonna grab a book and read for fun. So this is kind of my sneaky way of trying to like get him to read more, and then I'm hoping that will help with the spelling the more that he's reading. Prefixes and suffixes. Basically, I mean, this is what he's been doing, the Good and Beautiful. Answer with a complete sentence. So this is what I was looking for, is some kind of spelling supplement. This is what I got. And then, of course, I like went down the rabbit hole. And I was like, oh, they have, 180 days of reading. So, again, I got the level 3. And this is the same thing. It's split into like 5 days for each week. So he'll read something like he's interested in insects. So this is more reading comprehension, and answer the questions about what you just read, reading about butterflies. So again, this is my way of like getting him to read more. And then I'm hoping the more he reads and the more he's writing, that will assist in his spelling. So then I was like, oh, all right, we can do more geography. That's interesting. We travel a lot. I don't know if you've watched my other videos. We've gone cross country now 3 times in the past year. So we've been doing a lot of traveling. And for these, I got the level 4 for geography, and I also got the science. But I decided to do level 4 because he watches a lot of YouTube. So he's like, when it comes to like science, geography, history, I feel like he's on level or above grade level. So like for instance, again, it's broken into the 5 days for a week. This one is about North and South Carolina. So the city's there. And then they start talking about hurricanes, which that's something he would be interested in. The different categories of hurricanes. Again, it's like reading comprehension, writing. He'll have to be spelling things correctly. Basic disaster supplies kit. That's interesting and helpful, to be honest. So I think that would be good because they do touch on a little geography and the Good and the Beautiful. But this would just be like a good like supplement. And then science, I got level 4 again. And like, I like the way that they're all set up, like into different, each week is like a different category. So this one is about hearing. So again, reading, answer the questions, more in depth about the anatomy of your ear, animals in hearing. So I'm hoping, I don't know if any of you have used this 180 days of series or curriculum. I think it's more used as a supplement, but again, we'll see how it works out. I'm trying to increase his amount of reading and then improve on his spelling. So I'm hoping that this will help. If anyone has any suggestions or comments, questions, or if you've used it before, let me know how it's worked out and how you use it. Have a good day.